Ito
Juan.
ang Pinoy delicacy na kilalang pampalakas ng tuhod.
Ayan.
Ano ito na madalas kainin ni Jimmy Santos
Aba, paborito ko yan.
na galing sa itlog ng itik?
Vitamins? No.
Hindi.
Maraming vitamina to.
Oo.
Maraming protina.
Bilog, bilog.
Balot.
Balot
Ayan.
is correct.
Oh.
Yeah. Knock, knock, sir.
Who's there?
Balot.
Balot who?
Balot. Bye-bye, sweet caress. Hello, emptiness. I think I'm gonna die. Bye-bye, my lonely bye. There goes my baby. Where's so are you? There's your love, baby. There's your you. There's your baby. Goodbye tomorrow. There's always you.
Balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba.
Ikaw ay aking.
Balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba.
Ikaw ay aking.
Balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba, balot, balot, ba. Ikaw ay aking.
Pilipinoy! Pilipinoy!
Pilipinoy! Pilipinoy! Pilipinoy! Pilipinoy! Pilipinoy! Jibay! Balot!
Parang nagmura ka na.
Hindi, balot nga.
Balot si Bayan. Parang minura mo ako eh.
Hindi, balot, sir. Okay!
Ba, dapat may extra grade yan.
Meron!
Abay, may penoy pa eh.
Oh, may penoy, oh.